rainflower. His chest was tight, his spirit chained, bound to his work where hopes had waned. At noon he paused, with weary sigh, for brief respite and short goodbye. He wandered to a nearby park and sat alone, mood cold and dark, his thoughts entangled, pierced by thorns, brewed tempests fierce with bitter scorns. His elbows pressed against his knees, his mind was torn, denied all ease. He glared down at the dirt and stone and breathed his sorrow all alone. As world-born laughter skipped him by, it failed to breach his inward cry. Each breath he drew a heavy weave that weighed him down and made him grieve. But then 2 taps, one soft, one shy, like feathers drifting gently by. He looked up slow, confused, awry, with absent mind and tearful eye. And there she stood, just 5 or so, with shining eyes and cheeks aglow. She held a dandelion, a gift so rare, with stems still damp, 'neath golden hair. He blinked a while, then asked, "For me?" She nodded, smiling, pure, carefree. "You looked so sad," the girl explained, "so I picked you a flower in the rain." He paused, then took it from her hand, a gift so small and yet so grand. "Thank you," he said with smiles sincere, feeling love seep back to calm his fears. Her mother came with sudden haste, apologizing, flushed, disgraced. She held the girl and off they went, to who knows where, but somewhere meant. But just a short way down the path, the girl glanced back with gentle laugh, a smile of love upon her face, because to him she'd given grace. He watched her go with tender heart, because her smile had torn apart old grief that clung like tangled thread, and cleared the fog within his head. He rose, stretched out, breathed cool spring air, and pinned the dandelion with care. For sometimes joy may gently start from one small hand and open heart.